Welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. Today's video is going to be about JKSSB Recruitment 2021.
Before we begin, just make sure to subscribe to our channel Freshers Now and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos from Freshers Now.
Here are the basic details. The organization name is Jammu and Kashmir Services Selection Board and the post names Junior Engineer Civil, Draftsman under Civil, Junior Stenographer, Junior Assistant, Junior Scale Stenographer, Mechanic, Electrician, Stenotypist, Cashier, Horticulture Technician, Laboratory Technician, Horticulture Technician Grade 4, Assistant Mechanic, Librarian, Photo Librarian, Public Address System Operator, Screenman, Assistant Cameraman, Film Production, Assistant, Junior Culture Assistant. And the number of vacancies opened are 927. The starting date for applying will be from 24th of February and the closing date will be on 24th of March. You can apply through online and the job location will be in Jammu and Kashmir. And here is the official website. You can check out the official website if you need further information. Moving on to the department wise vacancy details. For the Department of Jal Shakti, there are 465 vacancies. Horticulture, you have 345, and Law and Justice and Parliamentary Affairs 41. Hospitality and Protocol Department, you have 2. Information, you have 74. So in total, there are 927 vacancies. And the education requirement: diploma or degree or BSc, intermediate, ITI, graduation from any recognized university with the knowledge of typewriting, having not less than 35 words per minute is required. 6-month certificate course in computer applications from a recognized institute, matriculation or its equivalent with ITI certificate in mechanical trade, and minimum mattress and maximum 12th grade with valid HGV or PSV driving license is required. The age limit: OM government service or contractual employment 40 years, not born before 1st of January 1981 and also not born after 1st of January 2003, SC, ST, RBA, ALC or IB, EWS, economically weaker sections of the society, PSP, OSC, it's 43 years of age, and for them not born between 1st of January 1978 and after 1st of January 2003. Physically challenged persons, it's 42 years of age, and ex-servicemen, it is 48 years of age. Moving on to the pay scale details. For Junior Engineer Civil, it's level 6, which is 35,000 is the starting pay scale. Draftsman Civil level 4, Junior Stenographer level 6B, which is 35,600. Junior Scale Stenographer level 6B, 35,600 again. And Junior Assistant is level 4, which starts from 25,500. Mechanic level 4, Electrician level 4, Driller level 6. And Junior Stenographer is level 6, which starts from 35,600. Stenotypist level 5, 29,200. Driver 19,900. Junior Assistant 25,500. Cashier, again it's the same. For cleaner it's 15,000. Senior Horticulture Technician, it's level 6, which is 35,900. And for foreman, it's level 6, 35,900. Laboratory technician, it's 35,400. For assistant seaman, it's level 2. And assistant mechanic, level 2 again. For librarian, it is level 6, which is 35,400 respectively. And the post names and the pay scale: for Junior Scale Stenographer, it's level 6, which is 35,600. For Junior Assistant, it's level 4. For Hospitality and Protocol Department, Tail Boy, it's level 2, and Tailor is level 2, which is starting from 19,900 respectively. For Information Department, for Stenotypist, it's level 5, and for Driver, it's level 2. Photo Librarian, it's level 6. Junior Assistant, level 4. For assistant cameraman, it's level 6, and for film production assistant, level 4. All the pay scales are between level 2 to level 6 respectively. And the selection process for all the aspirants who have been applying for this post, the selection process will be based on a written test, skill test, merit base, and also the driving test only for the driver post. And candidates who want to know about the post-wise selection process, you can check out the official notification respectively. The application fees: Applying candidates must pay rupees 350 to get the applications. Candidates, please note that the application fee can be paid only through online, net banking, credit or debit cards. Application received without the prescribed fee shall not be considered and summarily be rejected. Fee once paid will not be refunded under any circumstances, nor it will be adjusted to any other examination or any other selections. And here is the link of how to apply. The same link will be headed down even in the description box as well. So don't forget to check out the description box and get the direct access of the link to apply for the desired and eligible post. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can place them in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel Freshers Now for more learning and placement videos.